don't you love how some things just bloom? Or at times when we're not expecting them to come to us, they come to us. And of course, we love it, right? Because we all are chasing that race. What I wanted to say is that because we are all chasing that jungle concrete dream, but sometimes it's okay to see the real magic or to be just little weird. And how come we can create a jungle in the concrete? Like my urban space, it's a jungle. That's my happy space. It's little wild, little messy, and a whole lot of green into it. Lot of flowers, lot of colors. Not just flowers, there are birds, caterpillars, sometimes snakes, rats, and different beings as well. So just grow and just be a little different or weird if it is, but try to bring nature to your home as much as you can, because I think that's the real way how you can heal from within. It's super philosophical for so many of them, but at least try to being a little more closer to nature, because I feel that's the best way you can heal yourself and be happy and connected and grounded.